This video is a tutorial of adding a new key to a 2015 Buick GL8 using Key Tool Plus and Xhorse GL8 Smart Key. First of all, we're going to generate the remote. Click on Remote Program, select the desired option. Place the remote on the coil of the device. Hit Generate. Now the smart key has been generated. Tap on Email Programming. Buick. Red pin code. Type 3 BCM. Start programming. Red pin code. Click Start button once and tap on Yes. OK, now we get the VIN number and go on to read the password. Remember this password, 1610. Return to the Buick interface. Tap on China. GL8, 2011 to 2017. Smart Keys Programming. Start programming. Smart Keys adding. As the original key is out of battery, we put the key in this position. And push button to start the vehicle, then tap on Yes to go on. Put the new key in the key slot. Enter the password we just read. Now the device is performing requested operation. We just need to wait 10 minutes and the interface will count down. Then click Start button and tap on Yes. OK, now the remote was programmed. If you want to ensure that the remote programming successfully, we can program it again. Likewise, we can follow the on-screen instructions. OK, remote programming is successful. And now we've finished all of the operations, and the new key is able to work perfectly.